x plus y is equals to 5. We are to solve this system by graphing. But before we can do this, let's give this equation here equation 1. This one is equation 2. Let's start with the equation 1. So this is the equation 1, x minus y equals to 7. So here you find for the y-intercept, but on the y-intercept x equals to 0. So y-intercept s is equals to 0. So our s is equals to, we substitute the 0 over here into the equation, which is 0 minus y equals to 7. Now we are having negative y equals to 7. Since the coefficient of y is not equals to 0, or the coefficient of y is not equals to 0, we divide here by negative 1, here by negative 1. Y equals to negative 7. So now we are having the final answer here 0, negative 7. So this is the s and this is the y. So now we do same in order to get for the x. So find for the x-intercept. On the x-intercept, y is equals to 0. X-intercept, y is equals to 0. You substitute the y into the equation. So this is, we are going to have s minus 0 equals to 7. Therefore, our s is equals to 7. The final answer here will be what? 7, 0. We do same to the equation 2. So with the equation 2, we are having s plus y equals to 5. We find for the, or we solve for the s-intercept. On the s-intercept, y equals to 0. So s-intercept, y equals 0. We substitute this 0 into the equation. We are having s plus 0 equals to 5. S equals to 5. So we are having 5, 0. Solve for the y-intercept. On the y-intercept, s equals to 0. We substitute this 0 here into this equation. So we are having 0 plus y equals to 5. Therefore, our y equals to what? 5. We are having 0, 5. We bring this solution here onto the graph in order to get a value for the x and y. So this is how it goes. You draw your vertical plane, that's the y-axis. And you draw your horizontal plane, that's the x-axis. The intercept here is 0. So we are having here, supposing here is 2, 4, 6, 8. Here is the negative side, so we are having negative 2, negative 4, negative 6, negative 8. You do same to the vertical plane, that's the y-axis. Y-axis, and here is the x-axis. So here will be 2, 4, 6, 8. Negative 2, negative 4, negative 6, negative 8. We bring the final answers, or the final answers that we had here. These are the final answers. The final answers. So you underline them nicely so that you will not bring any false information onto the graph. So this is what we are going to plot on the graph. We are having 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are going to plot 0, negative 7. 0, this is our 0 for x, and the negative 7 will be here. Here is negative 6, so negative 7, negative 8. So here is the negative 7. And we are having 7 here, 7, 0. Here our s-axis, or the value on the s-axis is 7. So here is 6, so here is 8. The 7 will be here. You join the line between, you join the 2 points. Now you join your 2 points nicely. There's remaining answers that we are to plot. We are going to plot this. So here you are having 5, 0. 5, the 5 here belongs to the x and the 0 belongs to the y. So the positive side is here, so the 5 will be here. This is the 5. And then when it comes to y, you are having 0, 5. So here the 5 will be here. You join these 2 points using your ruler. Using your ruler. So now this is the intercept where the two lines meet. So now you trace a line from the intercept to the horizontal plane, that's the x-axis, and from the intercept to the vertical plane, that's the y-axis. So by the help of your ruler, you go this way. We are done. This is the conclusion. So you can see that from the graph, you can see that from the graph on the x-axis, you can see that the value over there is what? 6. Therefore, from the graph, x is equals to 6, and y, let's check for the y. It traces from the intercept to the vertical plane, that's the y-axis. So our y here is what? -1 from the graph. So this is how we can find this simple system by using graph or by graphing. Hello guys, see you next time for more tutorials. Bye bye.